Do you want to create a new account on X, Twitter? Well, this video, I'll show you the step-by-step method to sign up and set up your account quickly using your email address so you can start using X right away. Alright, so right after installing X, your iPhone or Android, let's open the app. Now, there are a few options like you can create an account using your Gmail. Also, you can log in with your Apple account for now. But we're going to hit continue with email to create account. Now, first, you're going to set your birthday, month, day, and a year. Hit continue. And then you'll be prompted to put down either your email address or phone number. We're going to go with email for this video. Hit continue. Now, a verification code will be sent to your email. Just grab that and put it down right in here. Now, you're going to put your name here, and it's recommended to try to use your real and authentic name to avoid any problems later. Now, after that, hit continue. Now, you're going to set a username for account. Now, you can either go with the recommended ones at the bottom, or you can just go ahead, set a unique name which is available. Hit continue. And then you're going to create a strong and secure password for your account. Press continue when you're done. You're almost done. Now, in this part, you can sync your contacts and give X full access to that, or at any point, you can just skip it if you want. Now, next, you can just go ahead, set a profile picture from your device's camera roll or gallery if you want. And when you're done, just hit continue. You can pick your interests in here, like topics that you like, so X can recommend you similar posts in the feed and accounts to follow. When you're done, hit continue. There will be some follow suggestions depending your interested topics. You can follow a couple of accounts right now if you want, and then hit continue. And that's it. Your brand new X account is created. You can just go ahead, take a look, explore your account, and use it right away. Thank you for your time.